Let's talk about Clostridium tetani, and we are going to talk about the Clostridium tetani characteristics. So everything related to the Clostridium tetani, here it is for you. So the first thing is the gram nature of Clostridium tetani, and as you know, that is gram positive in nature. So Clostridium tetani is a gram positive bacteria. The next important feature is disease the Clostridium tetani cause. Clostridium tetani causes tetanus, also known as the lockjaw disease. The third important property is the virulence factors. What are the virulence factors used by Clostridium tetani? Tetanospasmin, which is a neurotoxin, the tetanus toxin that causes the spastic paralysis in our body. Okay, blocks the inhibitory neurotransmitters, which is GABA and glycine, leading to the muscle spasm and stiffness, thus causing lockjaw. And next property is incubation period. How long does it take to cause the disease? Variable, typically ranging from 3 days to 21 days. Often around 7 days is the time at 37 degrees Celsius temperature. Now the next parameter is antibiotic susceptibility. And if you talk about the antibiotic susceptibility of Clostridium tetani, susceptible to antibiotics like, here are the list: metronidazole, penicillin, both of them is susceptible to that. Now if you talk about the antibiotic resistance, then some little note about the antibiotic resistance. It's very rare due to the susceptibility to the antibiotics, so no resistance found. Culture methods. If we talk about the culture methods of Clostridium tetani, typically not cultured in routine clinical laboratories due to the anaerobic nature and the contamination risk that it possesses. Next is the detection method. What are the methods that we use to detect the Clostridium tetani out there? And the detection methods continued with the clinical symptoms. The diagnosis based on the clinical signs and symptoms, which are very common. The second type here is the serum toxin detection. So in the serum, we detect the presence of the tetanus toxin, which is a protein component, so we can easily detect. So tetanospasmin can be detected in patient serum for that. And the third one, the last one also, here is the PCR, polymerase chain reaction, molecular method of specific detection of the Clostridium tetani DNA in our body. So these are all the important details about Clostridium tetani. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to get more videos like that in future. And watch all the separate bacteriology videos like this. Thank you. Bye.